Hey guys, Angus here, and today we're going to make a fly machine out of this. This is a dual cable machine. This one's from Primal Strength. I reviewed this one. A bunch of companies make this sort of machine. Okay, before I show you how to make this awesome thing, hit like and subscribe, and there's a thanks button down there. It's got these, you know, put handles, but you can't do flies on it because the ropes kind of go over your arms. So what we're going to do is we're going to mount a bit of a piece of wood up there, and we're going to use some pulleys. So that's only 10 kilos on there, and my chest is lit up just playing about with it. Let's run through this. So we got these U-bolts. These are 50 mil that way, eyelid bolts. Bolt things, don't. Right, I bought these off Amazon. 2 sets of these cables. These are 150 or 1.5 meters long. Also have a piece of wood, 1 inch by 2 inch. Like I say, I'm gonna wing this and see what happens. So I'll get started, drill all the holes necessary, and then tell you where I put those holes, and then see if this even works. So step 1 is going to be to cut this bit of wood. This has now been chopped. The next job is to mark this up. This is the halfway line. Don't know if you can see that in the camera. This is the U-bolt. This isn't going to fit evenly. So what I'm going to do is one side's going to be completely off. So it means I'm going to drill a hole kind of through here. And then we also need a hole. I've measured 10 centimeters in and halfway along to put a hole right. Holes drilled. I got these on. I decided to drill, because these came in a 4-pack, decided to drill another 10 centimeters down to put these here. Now I'll mount it onto the machine. Okay, we've reached a snag. These are not long enough to come over the top. So, but anyway, it's kind of on there. It's kind of secure. Act number 2, I need to find some clippy clips for this. Find some. Okay, now they're going to set it up. I'll show you a couple exercises you can do. You can do rear delt flies with this by grabbing opposite handles and go rear delt. How you line your body is how it's going to hit. But that is quite nice. You can go this way and obviously get a pec fly. Just not make sure that's reaching the end. So if I step back a little bit, I'll be able to get that. And that's nice. And that's scooping down low. You're scooping into the middle. And you're kind of coming into the top with index fingers pointing down. Or you go like this, with your pinkies pointing up. Hits the chest differently. You've also got just straight pushes. These bands don't get too interfering on the shoulders here or on the arms. And just pushing straight down. I'm finding that way too easy, but the flies are great. This is only 10 kilos on there, and that is really hitting. That's gonna be a really nice finisher. Nice setup. Replace this wood for something more substantial, and that is a cool gym hack. Remember, if you're doing any gym builds at home and other people are going to be using them, remember that if you're using wood and materials like that, it can snap, it can break, it can be potentially really dangerous, even life-threatening. So be careful with your gym builds. This video is just for entertainment purposes only.